Wonyoungism inspired eyescare tips for girls. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Glow Up Guide. Today, we're diving into the secrets behind those bright, youthful eyes that make everyone say, wow. If you've ever wondered how to get those gorgeous, sparkling eyes just like Wonyoung, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing my top eye care tips and tricks to help you achieve that fresh, well-rested, and glowing look. So, if you're ready to shine brighter than ever, let's get started. Step 1. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water. Keeping your body hydrated helps to reduce puffiness and dark circles around the eyes. Use hydrating eye cream. Choose an eye cream with hyaluronic acid to keep the delicate skin around your eyes moisturized. Step 2. Get enough sleep. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of sleep. A good night's sleep can significantly reduce under eye bags and dark circles. Sleep on your back. Sleeping on your back with your head slightly elevated can help prevent fluid buildup around the eyes. Step 3. Cold compresses. Cucumber slices. Use chilled cucumber slices over your eyes. That helps you to reduce puffiness around your eyes and soothe tired eyes. Cold gel eye masks. Using a cold gel eye mask can also help depuff and refresh your eyes. Step 4. Gentle eye massage. Use your ring finger. Apply your eye cream using your ring finger to gently tap and massage the under eye area, which improves blood circulation and reduces puffiness. Lymphatic drainage massage. This technique can help reduce fluid retention and improve the appearance of the under eye area. Step 5. Sun protection. Wear sunglasses. Protect your eyes from UV rays by wearing sunglasses whenever you're out in the sun. Use SPF eye cream. Apply a sunscreen specifically designed for the delicate eye area to prevent sun damage. Step 6. Brightening ingredients. Vitamin C eye cream. Use an eye cream with vitamin C to brighten dark circles and improve skin texture. Retinol for night. Incorporate a gentle retinol-based eye cream at night to reduce fine lines and promote cell turnover. Step 7. Healthy diet. Eat antioxidant-rich foods. Include foods like berries, nuts, and green leafy vegetables in your diet to support eye health. Omega-3. Fatty acids. Consuming foods rich in omega-3, like fish and flax seeds, can help reduce dry eyes and maintain healthy skin around the eyes. Step 8. Avoid rubbing your eyes. Be gentle with makeup removal. Use a gentle makeup remover to avoid tugging or rubbing the delicate skin around your eyes. Use a soft cloth. Pat dry with a soft cloth instead of rubbing your eyes after washing your face. Step 9. Minimalistic makeup. Natural eye makeup. Look. Opt for natural, soft eye makeup that highlights your features without being too heavy. Use a brightening concealer. Apply a lightweight, brightening concealer under the eyes to give a fresh and awake appearance. Step 10. Regular eye checkup. Visit an eye specialist. Regular eye checkups can help you maintain eye health and catch any issues early. And there you have it, beauties. With these simple yet effective tips, you're well on your way to achieving those bright, beautiful eyes that shine just like Wonyoung's. Remember, consistency is key. So keep up with your routine, and you'll see amazing results in no time. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty secrets and inspirations. Let me know in the comments which tip you're excited to try first. And as always, stay glowing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.